Fun with English slangs. I roasted English slang words. First time I saw the word bet, I thought it's gambling. People who bet must be morally degrading people. But it generally means coming to an agreement. When I heard lit, I thought it's about turning on a candle. But it's about turning on your own soul. You probably see the slangs and think you have to memorize them blindly to reach the level of native English. With awareness and strategy, these slangs can be a natural part of your life. This will lead your English to a native level organically. There are 3 types of slangs in English: relatable slangs, understanding slangs, difficult slangs. Some examples of relatable English are glow up, Gucci, goat. These are understandable with their meaning. You can literally track the meaning from the word you heard. You can practice them in your daily life because you'll love those words. That's how they are. They are fascinating when you learn them. When you use them, it feels like natural. As if you're a native speaker, but your own way. Here are some examples of these relatable slangs. My new face wash is helping me and glow up like a sun. I am Gucci girl, I hate cheap, valueless products. Leo Messi is a GOAT player. Then comes the understanding slangs. These slangs are abstract and need creativity to find the meaning. But you can guess them easily because they are simple in words and amazing in meaning. Like when I say slay, you'll feel it like a compliment of doing something amazing. Even if you don't know its meaning, you'll feel it. When I say hangry, you'll feel the anger in my tone and my need for food immediately. You don't need to know its meaning. It's all about your understanding ability. In this way you don't have to memorize anything. Then comes the difficult slangs. These are types of slangs that rarely have any familiarity with their literal meaning. Like crash means staying at your friend's house. And ghosting doesn't mean someone has died and become a ghost. They are difficult to learn, because they don't have any meaning from the word. You'll learn and then forget them. These words are too hopeless to memorize. If you're learning English slangs, it's better for you to avoid them. Because they're the most difficult ones to learn. Wasting your time on them will demotivate you to learn other slangs that are super fun and easy as well. Bye guys, hope I was able to help you. If you want to learn other aspects of English, well, like and comment.